Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to find cheap house on Zillow. Finding an affordable home can sometimes feel stressful, especially when prices seem to keep going up and good deals disappear quickly. But the good news is, there are still plenty of opportunities out there. You just need to know where to look and stay patient during the process. A lot of people assume that cheaper homes mean lower quality, but that's not always true. With the right approach, you can come across listings that offer great value without breaking your budget. It's all about being consistent, exploring your options, and keeping an open mind while searching. So in this video, we're going to make things easier and help you feel more confident when looking for budget-friendly homes. Let's get started. What we first want to do is open our Zillow dashboard. Then go to the top left side of the screen and click the option that says Buy. After you click on Buy, you'll notice the page refresh and update to show listings that are currently available for purchase. At this point, just give it a second to fully load, because depending on your internet speed, it might take a moment for all the homes and map data to appear. Once everything loads in, you should start seeing a bunch of property listings pop up on your screen, along with a map view that helps you visually understand where each home is located. This is basically your main workspace for browsing homes, so take a quick second to get familiar with how everything looks before we move on. As you can see, we can zoom in or zoom out on the map to explore different areas more closely or get a wider view of what's available. Now, the main thing you want to do here is click on the option that says Price. Once you click it, you'll see two fields appear, Min and Max. What we mainly want to focus on is the max price, because this is what limits how expensive the listings can be. Since cheap can mean different things to different people, let's set our max price to $400,000 for this example. I also recommend setting your max slightly higher than your actual budget, just to give yourself some flexibility. Sometimes there are extra costs like furnishing, minor repairs, or closing fees. After setting your price, go ahead and click Apply. Now you'll notice the listings update, and only the homes within your selected price range will appear on the map and in the results. From here, you can browse through the options and click on any house that catches your interest. Once you click on a property, scroll down to see more details like photos, description, and features. If you're interested in seeing the home in person, you can click Request a Tour. Or, if you want to reach out for more information, click Contact an Agent. When you choose Contact an Agent, Zillow will prompt you to enter your phone number, and it will automatically generate a message for you. After you click Next, that message gets sent directly to the agent, making it really quick and easy to start a conversation. And that's pretty much everything you need to know to start finding homes on Zillow within your budget. Now you can explore listings, set your price range, and reach out to agents or schedule tours with confidence. Take your time browsing through different areas and adjusting filters to find the perfect home that fits your needs. Remember, the more familiar you get with the tools, the easier it becomes to spot a great deal. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.